Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. I am now in Virginia Beach. I left cold Pennsylvania and for a little warmer climate, Virginia Beach. So just want to show you guys this cool little spot I found and where I slept last night.
So how fitting is this? It's my birthday. My kids used to call me an old dinosaur. So how fitting. Here it is. I'm living in a van, traveling, and I find a place to sleep, and I wake up with the dinosaurs on my birthday. How awesome is that? It's pretty cool, pretty funny. Pretty sure my kids will get a kick out of it. But anyway, yeah, this is a small little spot that I parked last night, and it's in my hometown. You know, I've been over here several times and stuff like that, but this is the first time I've been able to sleep here. So thought I would give it a try and, you know, see what happens. And, you know, it was pretty cool, man. It was pretty quiet. Nobody bothered me. Whatever time they got here for the museum in the morning, you know, they just opened the gate and just drove on right by me. No big deal. So, but yeah, man, it's a pretty cool little spot, man. You can see the van right there, right on the other side of the dinosaur. But yeah, it was pretty cool, man. These, it's just a roadside attraction, I guess, to draw attention. This is a aviation museum, and I guess they have these dinosaurs here just to grab some attention as you're driving by and stuff. It's pretty cool, man. Got picnic tables and stuff like that, and a cool little spot, you know, to bring the kids or whoever. But yeah, it was pretty fun. Charlie wasn't quite sure what was going on when he first saw the dinosaurs. He was like, yeah, those are some pretty big dogs. But no, he was cool. He wasn't scared. But anyway, like I said, man, I'm back in Virginia Beach. I just left Pennsylvania. Gave the new engine a trial run out here to Virginia Beach. I've got some stuff to do down here. So just giving it a trial run and see how we're doing. It ran awesome on the way down here. Didn't have any issues or anything like that, and I'm so glad I left Pennsylvania when I did, because right now it's starting to snow pretty heavily down there right now, or up there. So but yeah, I guess it's supposed to be getting some snow and some ice and rain down here in Virginia Beach as well. But it's that time of the year, so it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, so I'm just going to do the things I need to do down here in Virginia Beach and see friends and family, like I said, and pick up work as I can, when I can, where I can, and then who knows where I'll go after Virginia Beach. Maybe I'll go down to North Carolina. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's like I said, everyth's up in the air. I'm just glad to be back on the road, so it's pretty awesome. But I hope everybody is doing well out there. I need to start doing some more stuff on the inside of the van as far as finishing my van build. Unfortunately, putting in the new engine took away the money that I was going to be spending on finishing the inside of the van. So I'm still roughing it a little bit, you know. I don't have any running water. I don't have a toilet, anything like that. My electric, the only electric I have is if I plug into shore power. So, but I do have a buddy heater, you know, as far as propane heater goes. I've got, you know, a propane stove or a butane stove, you know, so So yeah, but you know, like I said, I still have a lot to do on the inside of the van and stuff. So, but here we are, Charlie's favorite place to be, getting ready to do his favorite thing that he loves to do at the beach, dig. He loves to friggin' dig. He loves to dig at the beach. But yeah, man, just like I said, it's a real quick video. Touch base with everybody, let everybody know where I am, what I'm doing. Hey guys, just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Trying to get better as I go, but it's a learning. I'm learning as I go. So I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Any likes, comments, questions, suggestions, it's awesome. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the button, man. It's free. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.